Hello, this is Nathaniel. We got a new listing up in Newport Beach in a highly desirable slip. This is a 2003 Sea Ray 320 in fantastic condition. New cushions, new engines, new electronics, 2 refrigerators, all sorts of great stuff. Let's go take a look. All right, here she is. Sea Ray 320, 2003. All right, first things to notice on here. Up top, notice that Simrad radar dome. Also a television antenna and then a GPS antenna and a newer VHF antenna as well. Boat is completely white with the shadows here. It looks like there might be a little bit of gray, but no. She is white with a little black and gold stripe at the waterline. Up front, you see an electric windlass, delta anchor, and a spotlight. You have controls for the windlass up front here. Alright. Checking out that the windshield, it's a little bit dewy still, but is that higher end Macrolon polycarbonate, stiff polycarbonate, lasts a lot longer than your classic isinglass. Alright, look at that huge swim step, spacious cockpit, bimini cover. This is a classic. There's a reason so many of these have been sold. They are just fantastic boats. Down here on the swim step, we do have a boarding ladder, lazarette back here. Shore power goes in here. Also, if you're going to do cable TV, and have a bit of storage for other things, ski ropes and whatnot, dock lines, fenders, keep them out of the way. All right, name of the boat is Norma Belle. All right, as we enter into the cockpit here, you'll notice on the deck we have a woven teak look. It's woven plastic, and this stuff is fantastic. It sheds water, it doesn't stain, it's easy to clean. Whenever I see this on boats, I think fantastic. Just got a couple snaps, easy to take up if you wanted to, but most people just leave it down all the time. Now, one thing you'll note in this cockpit is brand spanking new vinyl. This stuff is pristine. Stripe, well done by the upholsterer. I don't see any flaws. Super nice, super plush, fantastic. These are great seats. All right, let's back up here a little bit. So we do have a wet bar outside, including a refrigerator, plenty of room for drinks, and a sink. Just with cold water out here. And then a little storage area, or for trash perhaps. A couple of cup holders. Now these guys have this chillin' reel, which is pretty cool. You can drink a beer and go fishing at the same time. Take a little closer look at that. And then this owner has had a television installed. So we've got an LG TV out here in the cockpit, so you can watch your sports or whatever while you're up top. Great visibility on these boats. Let's check out the helm. So, 2 captain seats up here, both with bolsters. And here is your helm. So, throttle's on the right, shifters on the left, wheel in between. 2003, this is about when they switched to these newer style easy touch buttons. So these are fantastic, and they're in great shape. No cosmetic issues at all. The gauges look wonderful as well. No clouding up or anything like that. And then of course this Simrad nav information is new. So we've got the chart plotter, or multifunction display, which would also display your radar as well. And then over here These are adjustable to display whatever you want, but currently displaying depth, actual position, and then you'd have your speed over ground as well. But you can put all sorts of information on those. Here it is. And of course a newer standard Horizon AIS GPS to accompany that new VHF that we saw. Also in the cockpit, you'll notice all these speakers. So check it out. One, the Rockford Fosgates. There's the sub. Another one there. And a couple behind the TV and on the arch as well. And then you have controls for your Fusion stereo right here at the helm too. Right. All right, let's check out down below. Down 4 steps. And we are in this beautiful salon. Do a quick pan. All right, so you see this mid-berth back here. That can be converted to a full double bed. So easy to take a nap back there, out of the way of everything. We do have a nice large Samsung TV. I think it's a 32-incher. And speakers, newer speakers. Gatley to port, 2-burner hob underneath there. And then we have a sink with hot and cold water. You have controls, microwave as well. A little bit of storage in here. And this is where they used to have the TV. That's been removed, of course, and now it is over there. This bed is big and comfy and does have little steps on each side to make it easy to get into it. And there's a hanging locker to starboard. More storage. Very clean boat. And then there's this. You could sleep on here if you wanted to, but I'll just sleep in one of the mini berths. Here's the control panel for the boat. So you have your Fusion stereo, 12-volt controls, and generator control. Port motor. Ready. All right, let's give it a little gas. Looks good. Rock solid. Okay. Great, nice and quiet. Yep. And then set it idle for just a second, and then give it some gas in the neutral area. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested, please do give me a call at 619-313-3664. I can help you buy it.